Whoa, what up, what's happening? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the off-white Nike Air Max 90 in the black colorway. Welcome to the Ave. Okay, so look, we're gonna make this quick and painless, you hear me? So looking at the box, you got the brown box, right? You got the Nike swoosh across the top. On the side, you see you got the off-white branding, like you can find on the media sides of the off-white sneakers. On this side, you have the blank box. On the longer side, you got the blank box. Anyway, looking at the tag, what we have is the 10 Nike Air Max 90. The colorway is black, cone, and white. These retail for 160 bucks, but if you ain't get them when they released, you're gonna have to pay a little extra, man. You already know that. Now opening the box, you got the orange or the red, whatever you want to call it, the Nike logo. You got the off-white paper on the outside. On the inside of that, it's wrapped with some white paper. So these are double wrapped, typical off-white fashion. But enough of that, man. Let's get to the kicks. Here it is. The off-white Nike Air Max 90 in black, cone, and white. I think it's an okay shoe. Now, I'm a fan of the Air Max 90s. You know what I mean? But I'm not sure if I'm feeling this off-white collabo, man. I mean, and y'all let me know in the comments, man, if y'all feel like I feel, but I feel like they starting to saturate the market too much, man. Like, off-white don't even seem special no more to me. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let's look at the kicks, though. On the bottom, you see you got the all-black outsole. You know, and I am a fan of a black shoe now. On the side, you see you got the white swoosh. You got the stark white stitching on the outside of the swoosh. You got the team orange accents on the back. You see you got the suede. It's kind of blank on the back. Medial side, there's that white swoosh. Let me try to get you to see that off-white tag in a way. But anyway, you can see you got the off-white branding on the medial side. Front, there's the top of the toe box, and there's the tongue. You hear me? Now let's go ahead and look at the other shoe, man. Take a look at that one. You feel me? Now the other shoe is the same as this one, just without the off-white hang tag. You feel me? You still got the white swoosh with the stitching on the outside. You got the team orange accents on the back. See, you have the suede, but under the little flap, they have some numbers, man. I don't know what the numbers stand for, whatever. Let me give you a closer look at these numbers, man. And you know what they stand for, man? Let me know. But I'm not into all that, man. You know, so just showing y'all the kicks, man. Here's the medial side of the other shoe. Then we take it to the front. I think they oversaturating the market, man, if you ask me. But hey, that's my opinion, man. Let's look at the toe box. You see the little pattern that they have on the toe box. You can find that on some of the other some of the other off-whites. Excuse me. You see you got the shoelaces with shoelaces on it. And there's the tongue. You got your Nike logo off-centered. You know, so here's your insole. You got the 10 with the off-white logo. Black insole with the white labeling on it. See, you got the foam on the inside of the tongue. Typical off-white fashion, you hear me? And there's your team orange tag on the side. You feel me? So, what y'all think about these, man? You feeling them? Which colorway you like the most, man? Now, I am going to do a review on the other color. I just ain't get to it yet, man. I should have been put this video out, but hey, it is what it is. Here's a closer look at that tag, man. I'm trying to get y'all to see it, man, but I'm a little off today, man. You can see the off-white tag and everything right there, man, but I mean, I think it's an okay shoe. I don't think it's nothing to go crazy for. I don't think the resale on these are gonna be too crazy. So It is what it is, man. There's another look at the tab on the back. Hey, I mean, what more can I say, man? You got your mixture of leather and suede and whatever the case is, man, you know. So I think it's an okay shoe. Is it worth the hype to me? Of course not. You know what I'm saying? But the suede on it is nice. It's a little ashy, but it ain't too ashy, if that make any sense to you, man. You know what I'm saying? It's still that dark black, you know, but it ain't that ashy black. It's a little ashy, you know what I'm saying? But enough of all that ashy shit, man. There's your tag. Now, on the side, you see this pattern that's on the top? That's the same thing that's on the side, you know. This pattern is also on a lot of the other off-whites. Might be all of them, I don't remember, but hey, it is what it is, man. That was my look at the off-white Nike Air Max 90 in the black cone and white colorway. I think it's an okay shoe, like I said, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504 and at The Sneaker Peddler. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Turn somebody on to the channel, man, and I'ma holler back.